Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to dive into the Data Analyst feature in ROAK. In this feature, you can make corrections or adjustments to your groundwater level data. Because these corrections can have a big impact, access is restricted. Only users with a Data Analyst role, or admins and super admins, have access. When you open the Data Analysis feature, you first select a well. Then you will see a graph with the groundwater level reference feed in it. This means that barometric compensation has already been performed. Any changes that you make will only affect the calculated data, and your raw data will stay untouched. To get started, first select a time period. On the right, you can choose to select errors to overlay on top of your graph. This will make it easier to identify time periods where corrections may be needed. The graph works the same as the data viewer. You can zoom by scrolling or by using the sidebars. The buttons on top of the graph are also similar. You can reset the zoom, refresh the data, or download the graph as an image. When you are ready to make adjustments, click Select Data Points. Now you can drag a selection across your graph. This highlighted box can later be moved or adjusted. This is the data that you will be correcting or adjusting. There are 3 corrections you can make. The first one is Change Baro. Here you will select another well, and the water level reference will be recalculated using the barometric values from this newly selected well. The second option is Delete Values. This will remove all data in your selection. The last option is Adjust Values. Here you can move all selected data points higher or lower. You can enter a number, either positive or negative, and ROAK will recalculate all of your data in the selected box.